We are going to the shopping mall at the kids department for the boys because we are going to buy clothes for Mateo. Then after shopping clothes, me and my sister went to Kiwi grocery store to buy groceries and foods that we need for grilling because it's weekend and we have been craving for grilled foods.
Pera, uno?
Det er gullbransen. Amo ba?
Pero diri first
There's some. Ah,
San? Pwede kita magtuon kamote.
Pipino, sister. May paprika pa dito. Ha? Yeah. Ininiya? May napabalay. Pero ang dag ko, iki-cherry to. Tara na. You through the holder. And now it's time to grill for our dinner, and the man in charge is of course my husband. Dinner time, and everyone was excited to eat.
Kasi nga bukas lang.
After dinner, I got some spare time, so I decided to go to the department store again and try to find something for my hair. I was looking for a straightening and curling iron, and I was hoping that I will be able to find something that is perfect for my hair. The number one problem of my hair is that it doesn't tolerate anything. It easily dries up and it has a lot of frizz. It also has a lot of volume, and no matter what I apply on my hair, it still feels dry and frizzy. So I hope that a kind of straightening and curling iron, something that is two in one, that is what I am looking for. And thank God I found something from Remington. It seems like it is the one that I have been looking for, and I hope that this works for my hair. Rettifira. I thought I was already done shopping, but when I saw this display of shoes, and it is from the brand Tom's, it's 50% discount. I still don't have this brand, so I purchased a pair. This is the color blue. I didn't regret at all because this is just a very, very comfortable shoes.